Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Harshit and welcome to Brad Officials. So guys, today's video will be about the Mercedes Android system. This is for the C-Class from 2012 to 2015 model. The facelifted that comes. So this video is all about that Android system. I will show whole unboxing video in which we will show you each and everything about the product and what product you will actually get. We will show you each and everything, and we will share some pictures after the installation, how the product looks after installation in the particular Mercedes model. So guys, I would request you to don't miss the video, don't skip it, watch the full video. It's a short simple video. So I'll see you later. So guys, here's the product. As you can see, this is from the house of Brat Official. The brand name is Brat Officials. This is for the C class from 2012 to 2015, the facelifted one. As you can see, this is the box, and let's just quickly unbox this and I'll show you what we have in the box. I'll show you each and every content of the box, what you will get. So guys, first of all, I'll remove the wrap, and this is the main screen. You will get 10.25-inch display. This comes with 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage space. The display quality is truly amazing, and this will give you that floating display effect which you will get, which you are getting in newer models of the Mercedes. As you can see, this comes with 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. This is a full HD display, 1280. And with this you will get all the wiring, couplers, each and everything you will get with this. Everything will be plug and play. You don't need to cut or splice or alter any of the wire. You will get USB support with this. As you can see, everything will be plug and play. Everything will be coupler to coupler. You will get all the wiring with this. This is the main frame, plastic frame you will get for this installation, and everything will be snug fit. These are the aux wires. This is the GPS kit, you can see, and these are the audio video cables. You can also connect external camera with this Android system, and this is a completely Android system. You will get Google Play Store in it. You can run YouTube, Google Maps, and any application you want to download. You just need to provide internet from any internet source, whether you can provide from your mobile device or you can use a dongle. So guys, this is how it looks after the installation we have installed. So you can see how it looks after the installation. Give you that complete floating display effect. You can use the company features also with this, like the car info and inbuilt car features. So guys, as you have already seen the full video, and all the details have been provided to you. If you want to know more about the product, you can go into the description section, and you will find the detailed information about the product. So I'll just roughly tell you all the things about it. This has 10.25-inch display. It has 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage space. This system comes with integrated canvas, in which you can use the company features which you have in your Mercedes. So all the features you can use with this system, and you can use the navigation device also with this Android system. In this Android system, you will get Google Play Store, where you can download any application you want. You will get Bluetooth support. You can connect external camera also with this device. And apart with that, you can use Google Maps, YouTube, and any application you want to download in this system. So we don't only have the system for this particular model, but we also have system for like Audi, BMW, and other luxury cars. So if you want to know more about the product, you can just connect with us on the WhatsApp, or you can connect with us on Instagram with the same name, Brad Official. You will get details above. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want any product for your luxury cars, you can connect with us. Our team will be very happy to assist you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time.